Did you know? Reading the Qur'an is a source of reward and guidance for every believer.
Did you know? The Qur'an contains 114 chapters, each filled with wisdom.
Did you know? The Qur'an was revealed in Arabic, but is translated into all languages of the world. Did you know? The Qur'an was sent to purify hearts and bring spiritual peace.
Did you know? Listening to the Qur'an fills the heart with peace and serenity.
Did you know? Remembering and reciting the Qur'an purifies the heart and heals the soul.
Did you know? Memorizing the Qur'an increases knowledge and strengthens faith. Did you know? The Qur'an guides every person on the path of life. Did you know? The Qur'an miraculously foretells historical events. Did you know? Every verse is the word of Allah and a source of guidance.
Did you know? Reading and listening to the Qur'an fills the soul with peace and light.
Did you know? The Qur'an protects from misguidance and leads to the right path. SubhanAllah, you have felt the miracles of the Qur'an. Subscribe and strengthen your faith.
Did you know? The Qur'an contains 6,236 verses, each full of wisdom and guidance.